Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. Today we are continuing with our chakras and their ragas in Karnataka classical music. We are into third chakra now. Today's topic is third chakra, that is Agni chakra. So before entering to Agni chakra ragas, as usual we will enter into short prayers, my dear friends. Here I go. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha, Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha, Om Sam Saraswatye Namaha, Om Ram Ramapate Namaha, Om Shri Uma Maheshwarabhyam Namaha, Om Shri Lakshmi Narayanabhyam Namaha, Om Shri Sita Ramabhyam Namaha, Om Matrubhyo Namaha, Om Pitrubhyo Namaha, Om Rishibhyo Namaha, Om Munibhyo Namaha, Om Acharyabhyascha Namo Namaha, Sarvebhyascha Devi Devatabhyascha Namo Namaha. Hari Om Swasti Jai Shri Ram. So we're done with the prayers now. We will enter into third chakra, that is Agni chakra ragas in Carnatic classical music. Agni, as I told you, is the fire god, and just to have a small recap, short recap. So Agni denotes three because there are three Agnis to be worshipped every day by priest class Brahmins, that is Ahavaniya, Garhapatya and Dakshinagneya Agnis. So these are the sacred fire gods worshipped every day by priest class Brahmins in a brief manner. So Agni denotes number 3. Bhuta Sankhya for Agni is 3. Therefore the Agni chakra is the third chakra. It has also got 6 ragas. The 6 Medakarta ragas in Agni chakra are Gayaka Priya, Vakulabharanam, Maya Malagola, Chakravakam, Suryakantam and Hatagambari. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Come again. The 6 Medakarta ragas in the third chakra, that is Agni chakra, are Gayaka Priya, Vakulabharanam, Maya Madavagowda, Chakravakam, Suryakantam and Hatagambari. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Now I will give you the Katapayadi numbers and the naming system, how it is named. So first take the Gayaka Priya, which what Medakarta raga is that? Gayaka Priya. So to generate the Medakarta, you have to apply the Katapayadi rules. So Gayaka Priya, first 2 letters you take, Ya is 1 and Ga is 3. Take it in reverse order according to Katapayadi rules. You are getting 1, 3. Therefore Gayaka Priya is the 13th Medakarta. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So moving on to the 14th, Vakulabharanam. Ka is 1 or Ku is 1 according to Katapayadi rules. Va is 4. Take it in reverse order. We get 1, 4. Therefore Vakulabharanam is the 14th Medakarta. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Moving on, 15th, Maya Malagoda. Ya is 1, Ma is 5. Therefore we get 1, 5 according to Katapayadi rules. So Maya Malagoda is the 15th Medakarta. Likewise, moving on to the 16th, Chakravakam. Ka is 1, Cha is 6 according to Katapayadi rules. Take it in reverse order. As per rules, we get 1, 6. Therefore, Chakravakam is the 16th Medakarta. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So now moving on, Suryakantam. Ya is 1 and Su is 7 according to Katapayadi rules. Take it in reverse order. 1, 7 is the number. Therefore, Suryakantam is the 17th Medakarta. Fantastic. So moving on to the 18th, Hatakambari. Ta is 1 and Ha is 8 according to Katapayadi rules. Take it in reverse order. As per rules, we get 1, 8. Therefore, 18th is the Hatakambari. 18th Medakarta is the Hatakambari raga. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Now we will come again with the Agni chakra ragas. First is Gayaka Priya, that is 13th raga. 14th is Vakulabharanam. 15th is Maya Malagoda. 16th is Chakravakam. 17th is Suryakantam. 18th is Hatakambari. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So watch my videos again and again and mug up this. Very easy to remember if you master Bhuta Sankhya and Katapayadi numbering system. It will be very, very easy to remember all these ragas, my dear friends. So next, in the next upcoming video, I am going to give you the Veda Chakra ragas, that is the 4th Chakra ragas of Carnatic classical music. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Tipe signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762 00815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. So also I am taking special classes on Sanskrit devotional stotras and various Carnatic classical devotional songs, and then kavyas, Puranas, and then Chanda Shastra, that is Sanskrit poetic method, etc. etc. All those interested, please catch me direct on 8762 331 Shortly we will meet in my upcoming video. Until then, Hari Om Sutti Jai Shri Ram. Namaste. Thank you.